Hi guys, just wanted to share my opinion about this lovely product. It's the EtchMaster from Dental Practice System. My name is Kostas, I'm a consultant prosthodontist and I've been using this EtchMaster for about 6 years. What's so good about it? It's got a very fine beam of alumina that goes exactly where you want it, and the cleanup is very easy. It doesn't create a huge mist of powder across the whole room as some other systems do. One more very good feature is that it will go on just a 4-hole coupling, and this is how it looks, and it has an adapter here and you apply the canisters at the very end. This version is the pressure regulated one, so you know that you're exactly at the right pressure of about 30 psi. There is also another version which is not pressure regulated. So it's a very simple, clean way to get some air abrasion onto the teeth, and for adhesive dentistry, this is a must. Speaking of the cartridges, they come in 4 different grids for all sorts of purposes, so that you can use it for multiple applications. It's a fantastic product.